to show you how to use the Silka system to get from this to this. Silka grates are 1.5 inches thick, and we recommend that the materials you place on the Silka grates be between 1 and 3 inches thick. So make sure to consider existing construction such as doorways, checking that there's enough room between an existing deck and those existing elements to fit both the Silka grates and the overlay, whether brick, stone, or other materials. Silka grates are made to fit directly onto a standard 16-inch space decking base. The side edges for each grate should be directly centered on the joists. To support the weight, each joist needs to be at least a 2x8. Check the condition of existing deck structures, making sure they're in good condition before beginning. Now there are two sides to a Silka grate. The side with the strip going across faces down. When looking at your Silka grate from above, it should look like this, with no strips going across the face. For strength and durability, every other row should begin offset by half the length of a grate, so you'll need to start each row by alternating half and full grates. Once you've begun, the installation goes very quickly. Using your reciprocating saw, cut away pieces of the grate to fit around existing obstacles. The unique design of the Silka system allows for easily cutting the grate to fit around any obstacle. At the end of a row or around curves and corners, you can mark and cut each Silka grate individually, or simply mark and cut all the grates along the edge at once. In less than 2.5 hours, this entire deck has been covered with the Silka system. Now it's time to install the decking material. The first thing we're going to do is install the geotextile or landscape blanket. If you choose not to use sand in the installation, the landscape blanket is not required. Once that's done, you're ready to begin placing your top materials. In this case, the landscaper chose to use sandstone blocks along the outer edge, followed by red brick pavers with a complex pattern of gray pavers for the main decking floor. When cutting the stone, a proper blade is crucial, so we recommend a diamond blade made for cutting stone and tile. It's time to add the fascia. Silka system allows for a wide variety of fascia options. Possibilities. That's what the Silka system is all about. The myriad of opportunities for different shapes, textures, and colors provides for unprecedented creativity in deck design. If you can now, how Silka system allows for an outdoor living space like no other. Outdoor living at its best.